The maximum reason of husband wife not doing good in relationship is reason is either of the two are trying to express it and other is not able to understand. You got my point. You are very good with your friends, your neighbors, your relatives, but you are not good with your husband and wife. The reason is every time someone has to express it, but the opposite partner doesn't understand. He takes it very seriously or she takes it very seriously, and both the person is trying to express it without understanding, without not giving the space for him to do catharsis. So this is the reason. So if you learn this thing, then let it bring whatever he wants to throw, because he has gone to the office, he has some stress. Wife is all the time in the house, she has some stress. So when these two people meet, there is an opposite energy in both the auras. So definitely there will be a friction between two persons. Am I right? So when there is a friction, there is a fire. हम बोलते हैं ना दो पत्थर को जब भटकाते हैं तो निकलेगा क्या, चिंगारी निकलेगी क्या नहीं. So this is the thing, that you have to understand that we meet to for stress relief. Two people are meeting for stress relief, right? This is the reason people, those who are not marrying, they go to the Himalayas because they have nothing to bring it out. So it's very easy, to go away from everyone. But it is very difficult to stay in the house and with this all these suppressed emotions to express it. It is very difficult, right? Only if your heart to heart love connection is there, the opposite person will understand you. That let it bring out because the stress is there. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Otherwise, what will happen in very small incidents, you will start remembering all those past incidences. कि उस दिन ऐसे हुआ, उस दिन ऐसे हुआ, that day, 4 day back, 10 days back, and 1 month back, 6 months back, this happened, this happened, this happened. So all these things are actually accumulated in your mind. Some small incidents happen, everything will come out. The whole encyclopedia will come out. Am I right? So this is very normal phenomena. So what Osho has done the research that if you regularly do catharsis from your mind, definitely there will be no relationship issues, there will be no health issues, right? So this is beautiful part. And even ultimately each person carries the both energy, the male energy, the female energy. Suppose if you are not facing the opposite person with compassion, you cannot absorb their energy in yourself. So again that energy will be lacking in you. If you are male, only masculine energy will remain in you. There will be no feminine energy absorbed in you. If she is a female, she will never absorb the masculine energy. She will remain only with the feminine energy. So the point of marrying each other, staying together, is to absorb the opposite energy. That was the only phenomena. That's what we say as the Shiv Shakti. So either you can develop through the meditation or staying with them, you can absorb that other form of energy. Then that relationship will long last. Otherwise, it wouldn't last for a long. Because with only singular energy, that will start creating a domination. So you will dominate the other partner. You will not understand your partner, you will start dominating because one type of energy is more in you. So definitely you will start dominating it. Right or wrong? If female has more feminine energy, she will always do some emotional blackmails. If male has more masculine energy, it will always try to dominate the wife because it has more fire energy in the person. Right? So both energies to be absorbed periodically is very important. So what God has done to solve the problem, when we have the kids, we become more emotional. So at least for the kids, we stay together. Am I right? So now we think, no, now kids are there, we cannot get separated because again kids will have a problem because without father, without mother, the kid is not going to able to grow in the society. Every time every time he has to answer, right? So that, but again, that is a forceful attempt. It is a compromise. It is not a compassionate act. Am I right or not? It's a compromise, and compromise thing doesn't last for a long. Every time there is a friction, suppressed friction is there, and sometimes it will burst out. Right? But instead of that, you understand why you two people have met in 125 crore of population. There must be some karmic cord connection. Life between life, you must have taken some decision. that you need to learn the lesson from this person, your partner, and he must have taken the oath to meet you and learn some lessons. We have forgotten that it was our choice before we have taken the birth. Whether it's a law marriage, it is an arranged marriage, that is an irrelevant act. But the thing is, we have already chosen it before we have taken the life. Because what lessons you had to learn, for that, the parents were predefined, your brothers, sisters were predefined, your education or your husband-wife relations were predefined. Everything was in your blueprint because you have assigned it. That so and so lessons I had to go through in my coming life, right? So now you cannot change it, right? Suppose if there is a shooting done, a movie has been made without any dialogues, without any songs. Now you cannot change their actions, you cannot change their character. Only even you cannot change the editing part also, because all the characters were fixed and shooting was already done. In your dubbing part, you need to carry with the same scenes, with the same dialogues, with the same songs, same actions. How can you edit? How can you change the character in them? Can you change? You cannot change it. Suppose if there is a Telugu movie, you can dub it into Hindi or English movie. That you can do it. But again, you cannot change the character inside that Telugu movie and make a Hindi movie. Can you make it? So that's why every time there is a remake. Same movies has been remade by other religious language, religion, right? So same way I am telling you, you cannot change your character every time. There are certain options. If you are in the free will, you can do it. But if there is no free will, if karma cords are there, even though physically you are detached, karmically you are connected. So again you will get drained because of them. Because it was your choice. Forceful attempt you cannot. Just signing on the paper about a divorce is not going to work it. Right? You tell your even kids also many times, you go away from my house because you are not listening to me, you are out of track, you are addicted to so and so, you are not going through any education or job, anything. But again he is going to remain your kid only. Because your genes are inside him. Am I right? Just physically departing him is not going to work. है कि नहीं? उसको दूर भेजने से क्या वो पराया हो गया? Tell me. नहीं हो जाता. So same thing, understand. Let us heal ourselves and understand that these all characters are my chosen characters. Let me play with this character for the whole life and not try to change the characters. Because every time when you change, again the same role is going to come. Anytime? You have played the chess. Suppose if you are removing the horse and you are taking some other character, can it do the same work? No. Again you have to replace with a horse only. You cannot place the elephant at that place. Am I right? So same way, life is about the placement. And if you have already registered for some placement in your soul blueprint, how can you change those characters? You cannot change because those characters are hardware. They are the wheels of the watch. Like you can see only the three things on the front side of the watch, but inside there are so many wheels. Can you replace those wheels? You cannot replace because they are designed for it. And if you remove one wheel, the time is going to stop. The watch will stop. Same way the life will stop if one person is removed from your life. So let us those characters be in our life and let us try to adjust and accept those characters. Am I right? They are like organ of your body. If your liver is not working, pancreas is not working, you cannot remove it. You cannot say, I want to remove my pancreas. It has created diabetes in me. Can you remove? Tell me. You cannot remove it. You have blood pressure, you have heart blockages. You will not say to the doctor, just remove my heart. It is useless. Can you tell? You cannot remove it. So that's why I'm telling you, this all people in your life, they are different organ of your life system. Let us accept this. They are organs. So you cannot, whether they are vital organs or they are supplementary organs, they are the organ of your system. And let they be in your life. And let them stay in your life, let you stay in your life and try to adjust it. Because that is the lesson that you have to learn. You can be away from the person, but you cannot be away from the lesson that you have come to learn. Again, this is the two different things. Am I right? आप इंसान से दूर रह सकते हो, लेकिन जो सीखने आए हो उससे, क्या उससे दूर रह सकते हो? रह सकते हो? नहीं, क्यों? क्योंकि वो आपने पहले ही चूज किया है। तो जब हमारी अपनी चॉइस है, जैसे मॉर्निंग व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू समथिंग वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड टू द रेस्टोरेंट दैट आई वांट सो एंड सो थिंग टू ईट, once you have ordered now it is going to deliver to you. You cannot refuse because those recipes was made for you, that food was made for you. Either you have to go to again pure consciousness when you have taken the decision life between life in the pure consciousness. For that you have to come to the free will situation. There should be no karma boundary. Then you can change your decisions. Am I right? So let us accept and do it in the different modalities whatever we are teaching here: psychic surgery, karuna healing, gibberish meditation, Muneki rites, dynamic meditation. Through different modalities we are trying to make you understand that there are so many ways. If you want to bring improvement in yourself, there are so many ways. Am I right? But if you don't want to improve, even there are thousands or lakhs of ways, it is all waste. So first you decide that I really want to change myself. I don't want to change anyone in my life. Right? And if you have determined yourself, definitely you will accept the different techniques. We can show you the graphological technique, we can show you the numerological technique, we can help you with Vastu technique. So many techniques are there. If you want to correct your energy, correct your mind. Past life regression, so many things are there. Right? But first, you take the oath that really I want to change myself in this life. I don't want to run away from any situation. I don't want to create any mischief and any scene in the society. Am I right? Don't do any forceful attempt. Even though if the law will leave you, your karma will not leave you. This is again two different concepts. Law can leave you, but karma will not leave you. Because law is made by the man, and laws can be manipulated in today's world, but karmas cannot be manipulated. Because you, through your power, through your energy, you can manipulate the law. Am I right? But karma cannot be manipulated again. Am I right? So don't you think this is a very beautiful statement? And we have to accept it.